Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot or Dodge Dart. Now why I'm mentioning all these three? Because they use the same automatic 6-speed transmission. If you want to know what are the symptoms of bad transmission, how to find out if it's good or bad, and how in some cases it could cost you just a few dollars to fix your transmission, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can actually save quite a bit of money that way. So that's the transmission right here. The transmission itself, guys, okay, is a 6-speed transmission. This is actually not a transmission developed by Jeep and Dodge. It's developed by Hyundai and it was sold to Jeep and Dodge vehicles. So it's actually a Hyundai transmission. The Jeep Dodge code name is 6F24, the Hyundai name is A6MF1. So if you look at that transmission, guys, we have it completely taken apart. We drained the fluid, oil pan removed, valve body with shifting solenoids here with the shifters, and right here we have the clutches as well. Now we'll talk about the shifting solenoids in a second, but symptoms of bad transmission. Before we get to it, let me tell you how important it is to change your transmission fluid on time. You can see this one, it's pretty bad. It has this black swirls, dark swirls. That's actually wear, okay, from the clutches, bearings inside. And if you don't change your transmission fluid on time, that contamination will deposit in shifting solenoids, valve body. It can start acting up. From there it can put more wear on the clutches and bearings, because at that point the transmission fluid will lose its oiling, lubricating capabilities as well. So practically the properties of the transmission fluid will not be so great. So it's very important to change your fluid on time, okay, because another thing, you cannot change the transmission filter. I mean, you can, but it will take a lot of work. The video is on our channel if you want to know how. So check out, guys, we have a video that explains how often you should change your transmission fluid on Jeep Patriot, Jeep Compass and Dodge Dart. But symptoms of failing transmission, okay, could be hard shifting, kicking when changing gears, slipping, not engaging in gear, or not being able to move the car at all. What can cause that? Multiple things. Sometimes it could be something simple as a transmission shifter solenoid, something like that. They're very inexpensive, really easy to replace. When they fail, okay, you may lose your transmission completely, or you may lose a gear. And let's say your car will be stuck only in one gear, gets to second gear maybe and cannot pass that and shift into third. It could be a bad solenoid. If you cannot move backwards or forward, it could be a bad solenoid. If you have kicking or shifting hard, it could be dirty or slow solenoid, or worn or dirty valve body. In some cases, if you have slipping, okay, or not engaging in gear, it could be bad clutches as well. But those are some of the most common symptoms of bad transmission. Another thing, it could be overheating, which could be caused, okay, by the clutches slipping as well. Overheating, usually you may even get a code for that. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.